Close the shade.
OOTD.
You don't want your Call of Duty pants washed? Okay.
I'm working out. I'm working out.
Do you want your Call of Duty pants washed?
No. And snap. And snap. And snap. And snap.
Going to see me? Yeah, obviously. Is it serious?
What season was this?
Wow.
Have you seen it yet?
And he's a little scared. Okay, right there. Right there is the problem. There have been reports around the office that you have been talking baby talk. Fast. You are also on record as saying widow iddle, footy woodies, num nums, jammies, make boom boom, ridiculous, and woad I win.
Oh, wee.
Ridiculous.
I want to try to like say that out loud.
You know you can, right? You know you're able to say that.
I mean, like I want to be able to repeat that
In
word
half a
for
mile,
word.
turn
You know how
left
people.
onto Danita Squaries.
Can you turn that off? I know where I'm going.
Sometimes you don't know where to go.
The one where Oscar. But plantation. When he has to like say it over and over. Gotta love it. You gotta love it. You just gotta love it. Do you want to go to Home Goods? It's right there.
No.
Please, can we go to Home Goods?
No, I don't want more stupid stuff in my apartment.
Please, God, can we go to Home Goods? Does this job just have a drive-thru?
Yeah.
It does?
Yeah.
You're
we're
lying.
on a strict time schedule. You're not recording?
No. So I have to listen to everything on the radio. Sucks. Dude, there's nobody here.
Well, it is Monday, 10 a.m.
Why would you park right there in that wheatgrass?
Why would you
Look at he's parked in a wheatgrass tree.
Hey,
And he's parked over. Hold on, I gotta show them this.
hey, why would you?
Wait.
You're driving diagonal across the entire parking lot. What are you doing?
I'm showing them. Look at he parked literally in a wheatgrass, like in the wheatgrass.
Can't see it from this angle.
I gotta drive over. Wait. Shit. Hold on.
What are you doing?
I want to show them.
You're doing figure eights in the parking lot.
Hold on. Oh! Oh my god, I think I just broke my thing. Shit. Literally parked in a wheatgrass over 2 spots. Like, you gotta be kidding me, dog. And we're back. Dude, I look like I look like Cruella de Vil. Driving around and doing figure eights in the parking lot. Don't I?
Mm-hmm.
Should I pull through?
When are you getting an oil change in your car?
I don't know. I feel like I don't know. Into Whole Foods we go. Ooh. When you're a vlogger. And a really good one at that.
You ever notice the things with the different mustaches?
Yeah.
They all have different mustaches.
Oh. Wait, what else did I put on there?
Pepper jack, cream cheese, parmesan, tofurkey slice. Here.
Okay.
Obviously cream cheese.
Follow the lead. It's up. It's like hidden up there.
Here you go.
Can you?
That's it. What?
Don't say anything rude to me. The camera's on.
What camera?
The hidden camera. Exposed. Jarvis helped me get this. I'm pumped up. Look, I made it all like Instagram. You love to see it. You love to see it.
You gonna put stuff away? Or you gonna eat it all first?
That's what you do. You go grocery shopping, then you just start eating.
That's what the normal person does, or that's what you do? You don't have room for the salad.
Yeah, we're too healthy.
Hey, what the hell is this? Do we have 3 things of basil?
No, basil and spinach.
Here.
The portrait of health. So.
What are you doing with this pasta in here?
Throw it away.
Who's throwing it away?
You. You're not gonna eat it?
It's kind of old.
You just say you don't like it.
I do like it. I just wish you made it fresh.
Not everything can be straight out of Italy. Me turning the camera every time you tell me to do something.
Every time you start.
Oh, you want to say that to me again?
Every time you start doing any actual work, you turn the camera on to make it look like you're doing something.
Yeah. Me starts putting things away. Put those back. Put those back.
Pull what back?
Those.
What are they? What am I putting back?
Those. These wheat crisps.
Wheat crisps. Wheat crisps.
They're smoked wheat crisps. They look at them, onion, tomato, pepper.
Smoked wheat crisps with the southern reduction.
This southern? Is that what you said?
Barbecue from
Oh.
the south. Hey, got enough mustard?
You're the one who's got 3 different mustards in there, so look at this. Me eating fruit.
Dude, why do we still have hamburger buns?
What?
Why do we still have hamburger buns up there?
I don't have no idea. Ah. Ow!
You? I got that on film.
Me? I got him. Oh my god, I can't get it out!
What are you trying to get out?
This dragon fruit.
Let me try a bite.
Instead of pomegranate. Oops, surprise pomegranate? Wait.
We have some.
Oh, are you kidding? Hold on. I'm so rich. I have a pomegranate. Wait, what is this called? Wait, what's this called? What's this called?
You. Line. Dragon
What's
fruit.
my line? Come on, what is it called?
Let me have some.
Dragon fruit? Dragon fruit. There's no taste. What the hell? You said that's one of your favorite fruits.
Dude, this raspberry forgot to shave this morning.
Me and you. Eating fruit on camera? Oh, this is a mukbang. Okay.
Let me have some dragon fruit.
It's disgusting. Literally flavorless. Wait, show him. Dude, get your face in the camera. Oh yeah.
So good.
It tastes like nothing and you know it.
So much flavor, you can't even taste it.
So much flavor you can't
So many
even
different flavors, they cancel each other out.
taste. Uh oh, I just got one on the counter.
Dude, ASMR.
Don't do that. You're gonna scare him away.
Are you shaving that for your bug friends over there?
Ooh, I like the pomegranates. You know Kylie Jenner eats pomegranates, right?
Who?
Kylie Jenner.
Who's that?
Ooh. That was so...
You after you pomegranate. Really odd parents.
I just dropped another one. Can you get that?
Oh good, you give me the ones off the floor?
I'm done. I'm tapping out.
How about you tell them how you want to put
Oh, who's eating those? Wait. I could just move the camera. Who's eating these?
How about you tell them who wanted to put olives in the fruit salad bar?
I did not. I want to get a separate thing of olives.
No.
Oh my god.
You can have guacamole now before it goes bad.
Yeah. When you get home, you have to eat everything before it goes bad. I swear, guacamole is the most high maintenance thing. Do I have stuff on my chin? Ooh. I should have done that for the camera so it was ASMR. Oh, no! Oh yeah. Made fresh daily. This cost us $7. Did it?
Okay, for this next part, you guys are gonna want your headphones in.
Stop! Are you kidding? Me loses 500 subscribers.
All right, guys. For this
Every
next
chin-
for this next thing, I'm gonna need you guys to put those headphones in.
Stop! You're annoying even me. You're making me furious. We have still not even put away half the groceries. Oh yeah, you did. These are the best chips. El Milagro.
Can we get rid of these, or do you still need?
Come on, that's low.
Do we still need these?
Just put them away. I'm turning this off. You're just exposing me. I'm turning this off. No. Hold on, I gotta beat the shit out of him. Okay, this is maybe not the best idea, but I got 2 packages in the mail. Oh, you're spying on me. Now you want to be in the video, all the videos.
I'll do my own unboxing every 2 days.
Every other day. I wish that you had I wish that you actually did have something. Okay. Oh, I was wondering what this is. Okay. I did an influencer. I never do these, but I did it this week. I don't know. I was just like, kind of want it. So I guess I got the Sol de Janeiro Body Buff Scrub. It's new. Smoothing scrub and mask. Helps exfoliate, soften, detoxify. Or you can use as a scrub on wet skin or apply as a body mask on dry skin. Wait 10 minutes. Interesting. It comes with this little paddle too. So, okay, cool. Oh my god, is it yellow? Oh my god, I guess it's like yellow. Cool. I'll probably use that to get my fake tan off. And then, this is a very exciting one because this is from JCat. Dude, no. Okay, this is from JCat. So they actually reached out to me and they said, hey, we want to send you something. I was like, what? PR, my first PR package. Oh my god. Woohoo! What is this? Okay, wait, first must read the note. Cute, okay. Ooh, waterproof eye makeup and lip remover.
Wait.
Ooh, dude, this is such a little, I don't know what this is. Wait, did I get 2?
Don't put that.
Okay, it looks like this is a lip palette. This looks exactly like the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. So this might be a dupe. Dupe incoming. Comes with a palette like this. I'm sure this is inexpensive too. Because JCat's pretty inexpensive. And it comes with like a little mixing like metal plate. Oh wow.
You ever think about saying affordable instead of inexpensive?
Usually I say cheap, so I'm getting better.
You should say.
Well, not everything's affordable.
Huh?
Not everything's affordable.
I know. I mean, instead of
Affordable varies.
Instead of inexpensive.
Inexpensive doesn't really vary that much. It's less.
I was just offering.
Well, that was a bad suggestion. Whoa! This is one of those silicone blenders. Oh, it's dual-sided. Wait. Siligo, silicone and puff. The puff side blends out. It can be used wet or dry. What is this, man? Wait, what is this?
You have some plants out here?
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
It's for under the counter decoration.
Huh?
I have never seen anything like this before. Oh, what, dude? And then the back. What? Dude, look at this. Ooh, I kind of like this side. I like that it has a puff. That's cute. Oh, you gots to love it. You gots to. Did I get two? Did I get two of these? I can't tell. Oh, no. Oh, this is a shimmer. Oh, this is like a shimmer palette. Why are you eating that?
Why can't I?
I thought you would want to get some of the new stuff.
Huh?
You stops eating it, dumps it out. Interesting. Look at this. It's all shimmery shades. All metallic shades. I don't know if you can see really well. That's pretty cool. Did you see this?
Yeah.
Anyway, that's what JCat sent me. Thank you, JCat Beauty. That's so sweet. Cuckoo Cuckoo. Did you hear that?
Cuckoo, yeah. I heard
Cuckoo
you.
Cuckoo.
Yeah, I heard you.
Oh, you heard that? Okay. Oh, yeah, you heard that.